What is up, you guys? Tesla tequila unboxing video. I got it from a restock, so let's just get right into it. The retail was $250. So you have this black box, and it has a little bit of branding on top with the logo up here. Yeah, and there's nothing else on the edges, just all black, and it's like a solid cardboard box. Pretty solid and hard. Little card here with instructions. Nice. Here's the tequila. Let's see here. How can I lower this some more? Alright, this is good. So this thing right here is a metal tequila holder, it seems like, with a Tesla logo. And the big boy right here, man. Glass bottle, Tesla tequila. And then here's the box. There's some foam surrounding both of it. And shaped like a little thunderbolt. But yeah, check it out. Some engraved wording here. Nothing on the back. The top is sealed with a little tape. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It's like a little stand here, maybe. Oh, it's actually pretty stable when I stand it up. Check it out. Alright. 40% alcohol on this one.